In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the camera photo dump video trend on CapCut PC using templates. If you want that viral, high-energy camera photo dump look without spending a long time manually cutting, arranging, and timing every single image, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut's built-in templates can handle most of the heavy lifting for you, which makes the process faster and much more beginner-friendly. To get started, open CapCut on your PC. When you land on the main dashboard, don't jump straight into the editing workspace yet. Instead, look at the vertical navigation bar on the far left side of the screen. From there, click on the Templates tab. This is important because we want to use CapCut's native template library first, before building anything manually. Once you open that section, you'll be taken into the Trend catalog where different ready-made styles are available. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the Templates section. Click into it, type Camera Photo Dump, and press Enter. CapCut will then show you a list of matching template styles. Take a moment to browse through the options and look for one that has that fast camera shutter feel, since that effect is what gives this trend its energetic and punchy vibe. When you find one you like, click on it to preview it, then select the blue Use Template button in the bottom corner. That will load the template directly into your editing workspace so you can start customizing it. Once the template opens, you're ready to replace the default placeholder media with your own photos. Look down at the sequence blocks in the editing track. These blocks represent each image slot used by the template. Click on the first numbered placeholder, choose Replace, and then select the image you want to use from your imported project files. After that, continue the same process for the rest of the placeholders across the row. Just click, replace, and select your next image until every slot is filled. A good tip here is to prepare your photos in advance so the replacement process goes even faster. It also helps to choose images that match the fast-paced style of the template, since that will make the final video feel more polished and intentional. And that's it. You've used the left side templates panel, searched for the camera photo dump trend, loaded a matching style, and quickly swapped every placeholder with your own images. In just a few moves, your photo dump trend video is ready to go.